Hello and welcome to this third ethical consideration lecture in this course, Mastering Artificial Intelligence. So in this lecture, we will take you through an example of how a team, how a company did the task of taking care of ethical considerations while doing artificial intelligence and machine learning modeling. So this is an example of development of an AI-driven recruitment platform. So let's take a look at what did the company do. So they started by identifying the stakeholders involved in the recruitment process, and that included job applicants, hiring managers, HR professionals, and the broader community. So important is the broader community. Then they identified values that were relevant in the recruitment process, which they identified as fairness, transparency, privacy, non-discrimination, and equal opportunities. So they identified their own values that were relevant for them. Then they conducted an ethical risk assessment to identify potential biases, discrimination, and privacy violations in the recruitment platform that they had built. And they considered the impact of algorithm decision making on marginalized groups and the potential reinforcement of the existing biases. Then they implemented bias detection and mitigation techniques to address fairness in the recruitment process, use particularly the fairness aware machine learning algorithm to mitigate biases and minimize the biases in model detection and as decision, and also regularly conducted the audits of the recruitment platform for finding whether it is fair enough and whether the biases are taken care of and taking corrective actions as needed. They provided transparency into how the recruitment platform operates and included how algorithm was used to screen and evaluate candidates. Now, while doing that, they ensured that the explanation for decision made by the platforms are provided to both applicants and hiring managers, which allowed them to understand the biases of those decisions taken. Implemented strong data privacy measures to protect the personal information of the job applicants, which was their major concern. Obtained informed consent from applicants before collecting and processing that data, and clearly communicated how the data was used. Continuously evaluated the performance of the recruitment platform for fairness, transparency, and effectiveness, which were their initial concerns. Solicited feedback from stakeholders, including applicants, hiring managers, and diversity experts, and that helped them identify areas of improvement and address the concerns. They established an ethics committee to provide oversight, guidance on the ethical issues related to the platform, recruitment platform, in addition to an advisory board, and ensured that the decisions related to algorithm designs, data usage, and policy implemented were subject to ethical review and scrutiny. By integrating ethical considerations into the development of the recruitment platform, this organization could mitigate potential harms, promote fairness and transparency, and build trust among the stakeholders. Now, this approach aligned with ethical principles and value and ultimately led to more responsible and socially beneficial AI application. So what do we do next? We are now ready to look at what is the roadmap that you can use to become a successful engineer in the next section and next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this third ethical considerations lecture in this course, Master in Artificial Intelligence. I hope you continue to learn new things, continue to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer a question. And also download the PDF file to take a look at anything that is of specific interest to you.